arthroplasty is a surgical procedure used to relieve pain and loss of joint mobility associated with osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, and other forms of arthritis. These conditions involve loss of joint cartilage and wearing of the bone, causing restricted mobility and pain. This procedure involves exposure of the anterior parts, osteoarthritis of the knee joint, displacement of the patella, and removal of the damaged or arthritic parts of the knee to shape the heads of the femur and tibia bones. Holes are drilled into the bones to allow of placement of metal components. Metal replay articulate plates composed of porous metal, and then impacted onto the bones without using cement. A polyethylene surface is applied to the tibial plate to assist non-abrasive articulation with the metal femoral plate. Contact of this porous metal with the bone stimulate osteointegration, forming a strong direct bone-implant interface. This operation results in pain-free movements. And return to the normal ranges of knee joint movement without any.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the subscribe button to stay updated with more content like this. Your support means a lot.